baby, maybe we snapped or whatever. Hola Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. And today I'm showing you how I installed and styled and low-key slayed this wig, okay? Like, listen, I be watching all the hair videos and I just felt like I did what I need to do. So don't forget that I have a hair Instagram at Jaila's Hair, and they always see everything before YouTube. So they'll probably see this on IG stories. Right when I finish filming this, I'm going to hop on IG stories. So make sure you follow me at Jaila's Hair so you can keep up with all of my new hairstyles. But if you want to see exactly how I did this, go ahead and keep on watching. We currently have flat twist as a base because your girl has nails on and cornrowing was not going to happen, okay? I'm going to put on my wig cap and then let's keep it moving. I haven't brought y'all a wig video in a long time. Hopefully y'all are enjoying this. If you are, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video. So our wig cap is on, and now let me show you this wig. This is what the wig is looking like right now. I have washed the hair, washed it, put a little bit of product on it, and then just sewed it onto my cap. I have 3 bundles of hair right here. I have 2 24s and a 22 and an 18-inch closer. And I also bleached my knots, which I should have gone in with that purple shampoo because they are looking a little orange, but you live and you learn. Okay, but yeah, I'm really excited because it's actually looking pretty cute. And let's see if we can just secure this to our head with some bobby pins. So I actually have this heated straightening brush by Hot and Hotter, and it goes up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. And I figured that this would be a really easy way to get through all of this hair. I am going to go in with this heat protectant. This is just from Garnier Fructis. Let's see how this works. So we definitely didn't get all the way straight, but it is doing something, y'all. It's definitely doing something.
A few moments later.
So this is the side straightened with that brush. This is the side that we have not yet done. Definitely see a difference now. So we can go ahead and do this side. Okay, y'all, so I have gone through this entire wig with this straightening brush. So we need to do something about this situation up here, the fact that we have a closure. Went ahead and put some mousse on this, which really helped to lay me down. And I also went over this hair one more time with that straightening brush just to lay it down. I do need to go look in the actual mirror and see what I'm looking like because I always catch stuff that I never catch on camera. So I'll be back to you with more of a final look, okay? We big. Only thing I've done is lay down my edges because we were looking a little weird. The way that my hairline is set up, there's no possible way I can get away with not doing my edges. Y'all, wait a second. Maybe we did something. I look kind of good. Oh, snap. Hun, do you see me? Do you see me? Okay, so maybe we snapped. Quickly, just so you know, I know y'all saw that lace, okay? So 2 things I did was use this Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and I put this black eyeshadow on that lace to conceal it. And I also went in with this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 338 Spicy Brown, and I added that to my part. So those are things that I did off camera. I did take some pictures. My sister actually took pictures of me, so I was able to see what the hair is looking like. It's still very textured, especially in the back, so I don't think that this brush did a whole lot of straightening. It definitely did straighten it more than it was, but we're not all the way straightened. So I'm thinking maybe we should try one more heating tool to see how we can style this hair. Let's see if this does anything. I feel the heat, yes. But do I see the results? Definitely a difference. So I just added a little bit of texture to it with that flat iron, just so I wasn't looking so like bleh. And I am satisfied, okay, with how this unit came out, with the way that I was able to lay it, the way that I was able to style it. Hopefully this helps somebody. So if this helped you, please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so that YouTube can share with other people. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.